Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Informed video. In today's video, we're talking Boost Infinite and how it's finally on Amazon. So yes, even though Boost Mobile has been on Amazon, now it looks like it's Boost Infinite's turn. It's finally, like I said, it's their time to shine. I've been getting a lot of messages, DMs, and everything about this to make a video about it and what I think about it. So let's get into it, guys. So Boost Infinite, of course, is post-paid side of Boost Mobile. Of course, they're both under Dish Network. And of course, they use AT&T and T-Mobile's network. I'm actually on Boost Mobile right now with their AT&T service, and it's pretty good. So let's get into it, guys, of course, and we'll talk more about it. So like I said, Boost Infinite, the post-paid side. So it says unlimited wireless, $25 a month forever, term supply. That is true. Like I said, Boost Mobile as well has this $25 a month deal. That's the one I currently have for unlimited talk, text, and data up to 30 gigs, and that's how much Boost Infinite gives you as well. So of course, there's the Boost Infinite SIM card. Pretty cool. This chick looks like she got an iPhone X or XS. Pretty happy with it, you know. So of course, right now you can save $5. It's a Boost Infinite unlocked phone SIM kit. So you save $5. So instead of 25, you get for 20. So it says features of Boost Infinite unlocked phone SIM kit. So let's see some of the features with this. $25 bill credit included with your SIM kit purchase when you activate it within 30 days. So right there, guys, if you purchase this SIM kit for $20, which you save $5, you will get a $25 credit. Remember, it's $25 a month, so that covers 1 month's service when you activate it within 30 days. Locked in price, $25 a month for as long as you're active. So as long as your phone is active and it doesn't get cut off, like, you know, terminated, you will get that price for the life of this, you know. So it's pretty cool. $25 a month. Super fast 5G on one of, so one of means multiple of America's top networks. Of course, they're talking about probably T-Mobile. T-Mobile's internet is crazy fast. But of course, remember, with fast data, you can burn through your data a lot quicker. But I usually tend to go with AT&T for the coverage. Speeds are always great, about, you know, 50, 60, 70. Of course, it's not going to be like T-Mobile's 100, 50, 200 down. But overall, AT&T is good on Boost Mobile, which, like I said, is the same thing as Boost Infinite. So easy activation, exclusive offer for Amazon Prime members. So that's what it's talking about. Instead of it being $25 a month, you get it for 20, and of course, you get that credit. So pretty cool. Let's talk about Boost Infinite Unlimited Wireless Plan. Unlimited data, talk, and text. We put our energy into simple and affordable because that's how mobile should be. Simple and affordable. That's what people want. Something simple and affordable. So super fast 5G coverage, like we're talking about. We provide access to super fast 5G on one of America's top networks. So like I said, it's either AT&T or T-Mobile. They're both pretty fast, but of course, T-Mobile will outpace AT&T in a good coverage area. $25 a month forever. It says we like easy math, pay the same locked in price for as long as you're active, which is really good. Now this is to say that maybe in the future that price might go to $30 or $35 a month. 25 is really good. I think I'm gonna keep it for a while. Of course, there's that ad talking about it. It says, how does this work? It says sign up for Infinite Unlimited plan, purchase your Boost Infinite unlocked phone SIM kit through Amazon, and keep an eye on the mail. Your SIM kit will arrive in an Amazon package. Once you've got your SIM kit, you're ready to activate your own device on Boost Infinite. Most devices are compatible with our network. So like mine is an iPhone 14 Pro Max right here. Or, I mean 14 Pro, my bad, not the Max. And of course, it's unlocked, and I did the eSIM through Boost Mobile. So it works very good, or very well, should I say. Set up Boost Infinite account and customize plans. Says we recommend setting up your Boost Infinite account via the app shortly after signing up to familiarize yourself with how the app works. Download the Boost Infinite app today through Google Play or the App Store. Once your account is set up, you can choose from our suite of add-ons and customize your plan with things like hotspot and more international features. So same thing with, like I said, Boost Infinite and Boost Mobile Wireless is basically the same. You can get access to hotspot, and that's an add-on. For $25 a month, you're just getting limited talk, text, and data. No hotspot or international. It's saying here you can add, of course, more. You can also add more data. So if you run out of data with that 30 gigs, you can purchase more, but it gets a little expensive. Activate your device is activate your device with your Boost Infinite Unlock Phone SIM Kit on the Boost Infinite app in a few quick taps. If you've got an eSIM compatible iPhone, you can activate your phone instantly. So right now, currently the eSIM is only for iPhones, which is what I have, but it was super easy to activate. Very, very easy. Like I said, I didn't have to wait for a SIM, even though they still send me a SIM, which was kind of funny, but you know, I still kept it. Some details, of course, your favorite phones have a new home. We like to keep things simple. If your device is unlocked, you're ready for our network. Most phones made in the last 5 years are compatible with our network. Of course, you can check that out. It says after purchasing your SIM kit and signing up, we'll pair you with a Boost Buddy, a real person dedicated to your account that can answer any questions, set up and activation. It's personalized tech support for the best in the biz. Wow. Then, of course, they got you covered with either AT&T or T-Mobile. It's not very well explained if you will get an AT&T or T-Mobile. I've had people in the same household, it's supposed to go by address, but in the same household, the one person, let's say the husband get AT&T, and then the wife's phone will get T-Mobile, which is weird, and nobody really can explain that. So, let's see what some people say. It says, I ported my number over and had an absolute fantastic switchover. I did the same thing. Fantastic. The process was over and done within an hour or less. It's true. Jonathan said, at this point, I've had nothing but the uttermost praise. If this is what I'm to expect for the rest of the tenure with Boost Infinite, I'm certainly be a customer for life. And Andrew says, I'm very happy with the service so far. I'm getting faster coverage at almost half the price I was paying. That is true. $25 a month, very cheap. And then there's just some FAQs, like, is this plan forever? Yes, no one can predict the future, but you can predict our price. Members on the Infinite Unlimited plan get the same price, $25 a month, as long as you remain active. How many lines can you add? Each account has a limit of 5 lines, so you can do a family plan of 5. Once you've activated, you can add lines through the Boost Infinite app or by calling customer care. How does the $25 bill credit work? That is true. I want to know. Once you buy your SIM kit through Amazon, you have 30 days after ordering to activate your SIM. After you activate within the 30-day period, you'll get a $25 rebate off your first month's bill. So you'll get a rebate. So pretty cool. And then, is my phone compatible? Basically, iPhones XR or newer. So pretty good, XR or newer. Samsung Series S20 or newer. The Z Series, Z Flip or Z Fold or newer. And Pixel has to be a Pixel 5 series or newer. So these are mainly the 3 compatible devices. Like I said, iPhones, Samsungs, and Googles. Just make sure. And like I said, members using more than 30 gigs a month may experience lower speeds. Members on the Infinite Unlimited $25 a month plan get the same price as long as they remain active. So pretty cool. Check your coverage. Coverage is not available everywhere. So overall, I think it's pretty cool. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Check out the description below for ways to support your channel. More videos coming your way. Hopefully this was a quick, informative video on Boost Infinite. You can get it now on boost.com. I will have a link of this in the description below, so check it out. Thank you, guys.